Hi Cancers, welcome to my channel Krishna. We are getting ready to do your reading for the second half of July. Just so you know, these readings are general readings, so the messages may not resonate with your situation. Please check your sun, moon, rising, and Venus. Also, feel free to switch the characters. Okay, now Cancers, I have already pre-shuffled all the decks that I'll be using, and I have meditated on your energy. Okay, let's get started with your reading. Okay, one moment, please. Let's take two cards for you, one for you and other one for your person. Let's check. Cancers, you guys have Bear. You could be dealing with a Scorpio, but Bear talks about waking up from a spiritual slumber. Very Ten of Wands kind of energy. Something's heavy. I'm drawn to the color yellow here. Yellow talks about vitality, health, your solar plexus chakra. So there's something's heavy. You could be dealing with some health issues. Um, you could be having trouble moving, but Bear energy talks about transformation. I get a very death-like energy, death-like vibe with it. But death is transformation. I don't get a sinister vibe with it. Okay, so something's heavy, something's ending, something has been long time coming. All right, and although it seems very difficult, it's for your benefit. It's for your good. Okay, this is Earth energy, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. So we're talking about your security, stability, your job, your relationship, your money, something that forms your foundation on this earth, okay, earthly plane, something that's earthly. Okay, now we have Wolf, very husband kind of vibe. Wolf talks about, again, earth energy, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Okay, so we have Wolf here. Wolf is somebody who is very smart, somebody who is very clever. All right, somebody who is also a very good provider. I get a vibe of a very good provider with it. Okay, perhaps this provider may be going through some health issues. Perhaps something with regards to your security, stability, be it your money, your health, your your long-term job or your long-term relationship, something is heavy. All right, and although Wolf is a protector of the pack, this wolf needs to be more accepting. Okay, let's get started with your reading here. Okay, let's see, what do we have for you. One moment, please. Let me just move this aside. Okay, let's get started. So Cancers, your central issue is Queen of Pentacles. Awesome. Okay, so earth energy, a lot of earth around you, so you're definitely dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this is a Capricorn or a Sagittarius. But a Queen of Pentacles is a very stable, secured, committed, very generous individual. This is a wifey. Okay, I'm drawn to peacock here. Okay, so peacock signifies beauty. Peacock also signifies a bit of, arrogance. What's the challenge here? Okay, Nine of Wands. Okay, so you're almost at the end of it. Okay, so you have gone through a battle. You're very, I see this as, if you're a Cancer woman with Capricorn in your chart or Sagittarius in your chart, this could be you. You're very stable, secured, grounded, and any generous individual. But you have gone through a battle. Again, you're protecting yourself, protecting your money, protecting your sanity in your foundation. Okay, King of Cups in reverse. Okay, this could be Libra, this could be a Scorpio. But King of Cups in reverse could be an individual that's a bit emotionally either closed off, or this could be very emotionally manipulative individual. Okay, could also be dealing with some health issues like bipolar disorder, stuff like that. In the past, Ace of Swords in reverse. Okay, so we have no clarity with regards to a certain situation. Okay, extreme emotions. Hang on a second. All right, so Ace of Swords in reverse. This is lack of clarity, lack of balance. Okay, you have no clarity with regards to a certain individual. Okay, Ace of Swords also indicates extreme emotions. Okay, but in this position, it looks like someone's a bit delusional, could be lying. Okay, there could also, if you're committed, it looks like you could be committed to an individual who's straight up lying to your face. Okay, someone's living a lie. I'm also getting that this person could be homosexual, and they could be lying about it. Advice. Four of Pentacles. Cling on too tightly to your money. I'm getting drugs, drinking habits with this. Okay. Save your money. Cling on too tightly. Just don't be generous with regards to, giving too much to a certain individual who just doesn't give you. King of Cups in reverse is this person has self-esteem issues, okay? And I'm also getting a husband kind of vibe. This could be a husband or this could be a spouse. In the near future, Eight of Pentacles, okay? So you'll be working very hard on your money, okay? I'm also getting Eight of Pentacles is working on yourself, working on your money, okay? You could also be ignoring somebody, and also please pay attention to someone's action, not words, okay? Because here you are, you're a wounded warrior here, okay? Bottom of the deck, the overarching energy is Three of Swords in the reverse, okay? So a bit of forgiveness, letting go of heartache, and Three of Pentacles. It looks like there could have been a situation that was very, very one-sided, okay? We're trying to avoid a disaster. Cancers, you guys are trying to avoid a disaster here. Something could come crumbling down. This could be a commitment. I'm getting a commitment or a job, okay? But look here, this is Temperance in reverse. This situation is very, very one-sided. Temperance in reverse is depression, serious depression. Someone could be taking advantage of you and you have no idea. This person could be lying to you, okay? There's too much work that you need to put in with regards to this individual, okay? There could also be a third party. Someone may not be, all that genuine with you. Okay, so let's look at your central card, Queen of Cups. Sorry, oh, Queen of Cups. All right, so you could be the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles together. That's what I'm getting. Okay, so here you are sitting pretty, something stable, secured, something feels very earthly, something feels very stable, very homely. Okay, but at the same time, here's your challenge. You're holding on. Okay, you're in for a battle. You have been through a battle, but it's just one last push. Okay, one last push. You're recovering, or maybe are you forgiving somebody for a heartbreak, from because of a third party situation? Because this is also about forgiveness. You could be forgiving somebody. If you're forgiving, you could be forgiving your spouse, because in the distant past we have King of Cups in reverse. I'm also getting this person may or may not be a spouse. This could be a love interest. Okay, so this person was emotionally closed off. Okay, no, not sharing emotions with you. Could be drinking heavily, could be spending a lot of money, could be clinging on to you on an emotional level at the detriment of their own selves. Okay, if this person has addiction issues, a drinking problem, drinking issues, save your money, save your cash. Okay, in the past we have Ace of Swords in reverse, lies. This person could have lied to you. Okay, lied to you with regards to money. This person refused to give you any kind of clarity. If there was a third party, this person was lying about it. Okay, your advice here is to save your money, save your energy, save your assets, and be a little closed off. Okay, because King of Cups in the reverse is very narcissistic, delusional individual. This person could also have self-harm tendencies. Okay, if there is a depression that you sense, I would request you to get professional help. In the near future, we have Eight of Pentacles. This is working hard on your money. You guys will work hard on yourself, because this is if you look at this, this is a card of solitude. Okay, I also see a mice here. If you see, look very closely, there's a rat here. Okay, so I'm also getting a vibe of if you look here, there's a web here. Okay, so I'm also getting someone has been doing the same thing over and over again, because this is Eight of Pentacles. Eight is like an infinity loop. Someone could have been doing the same thing over and over again and expecting something different. Okay, if someone's coming back, or someone's promising you, hey, I have changed, we can get married, or we'll work together, la 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 la, listen, this does not guarantee that the plans will, you know, this whosoever you're dealing with, the plans may or may not follow through. We're going to clarify to see what happens, okay? But we have 9 and 8, so we are reaching an end of a cycle. We are reaching a point where you will have to make a choice, you will have to make a decision, okay? Let's talk about this King of Cups in the reverse. Let's see what's happening to this. Okay, these cards fell out, and that's how King of Cups fell on my hand. Look, this time he's in upright. Okay, this could be a message, but I wasn't paying attention. But I'm going to take a look here. What message are we getting? Okay, way too many. Way too many. Again, Queen of Pentacles. I'm not going to take it. Let's see. Let's check. This King of Cups could be Libra or Scorpio. We have Sagittarius, Capricorn, Leo. We have very strong earth energy here, okay? Very strong earth energy. Let's talk about this King of Cups in reverse. Queen of Pentacles in reverse, okay. Queen of Rods in reverse, all right, okay. Six of Cups, Nine of Cups in reverse, okay. So this person drinks heavily, very arrogant and a delusional individual. This person had third parties. He had a spouse and he had a third party. There are two women here. Okay, so this King of Cups could be this Queen of Pentacles, okay? Or this King of Cups had two women around him. Six of Cups, there could be kids involved, or this person was very focused on somebody from their past. They could not get over. They could be drinking heavily, okay, or very emotionally drained with regards to somebody from their past. Okay, this person in the distant past was very unstable, very unstable. Okay, let me take one card on this Queen of Pentacles. Seven of Swords. Oh, this is a disloyal spouse. Someone was a cheater. King of Rods, Queen of Rods, Sun in reverse. Okay, so we have jealousy, drama, third party situation here. Oh, someone was very blind. Okay, Sun in reverse is unwilling to see the light. Okay, it's like Two of Swords. You're not willing to see what's ahead of you. It's about being blind to the problems of your relationship. Okay, someone was too focused, too childish. Someone was sneaky. Ace of Swords in reverse, Two of Pentacles. Yeah, someone lied about juggling. Listen, someone was juggling and they lied about it. Someone lied about having other lover. So there is definite infidelity in this connection. Okay, let's talk about Queen of Pentacles. Someone is married and has other lover. Okay, and they are constantly, trying to lie, juggle. Let's talk about your current situation. Nine of Pentacles. Okay, Nine of Pentacles, Four of Swords. Okay, so this Queen of Pentacles is on a break. Okay, we're not talking, we're healing basically. It looks like we already went through a separation and we're healing. We are gaining some insights. Queen of Pentacles with Nine of Pentacles, this person is independent. If you are a Cancer woman with Capricorn or Sagittarius in your chart, this could be you. Very independent, self-sufficient, healing. Okay, let's take Nine of Pentacles, Hierophant in reverse. Okay, listen, someone's single from a very difficult marriage. Someone's single from a very difficult marriage. Okay, this is a dysfunctional marriage. Let's talk about this Nine of Wands. Judgment. Okay, you have a big decision to make and you're going within. Listen, Cancers, whether you're a woman or whether you're a man, you guys are taking a break. You may not be getting divorced yet. You may be taking a break from this dysfunctional marriage. Okay, you could be dealing with a Taurus. But listen, the challenge here is you're holding on. Okay, you're going within before making a huge monumental choice, monumental decision. Okay, this relationship, whatever relationship you are in, is very karmic. This relationship is meant to teach you some lessons. Okay, let's talk about your advice here. Death in reverse. Okay, you're holding on, clinging on too tightly. Listen, yes, you're not able to move on. Okay, you could be you, or maybe you're saving money, Emperor. Yes, taking control, taking charge of a situation. Okay, death in reverse is something needs to transform. Either there are only two possibilities in this situation. Either something in your life will transform completely, okay, but before it transforms, it's gonna end. Let's talk about this Eight of Pentacles in the near future, which is hard work and dedication. Hanged Man, okay. Six of Rods in reverse, Seven of Rods in reverse, and Knight of Swords in reverse. Okay, listen. Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Devil. Okay, listen, I'm telling you, Cancers, you guys are very giving, caring, nurturing. In the near future, this person will only be focusing on their work. Okay, this relationship is deemed to fail. Whatever relationship, this could also be a job, this could also be a long-term relationship where you have put in lots of efforts and energy. Okay, if there is a commitment, that commitment may come to an end. Okay, Six of Rods in reverse. Listen, this is infidelity, this is a failure. Okay, people with ulterior motives, infidelity, it's all over the place. Cheating, lying, deception is all over the place. Seven of Rods, you guys will block each other out. Okay, this is fights, this is arguments which you may not go past, may not pass through. Okay, Knight of Rods in reverse, sorry, Knight of Swords in reverse. Again, movement restricted. Okay, like I said here, there is a necessary pause in the near future before you can put an end to a situation. So this Knight of Swords looks like you are still stuck there. You may be working hard on yourself, working hard on your money, ignoring people, blocking people out because they mean you no good. And here it is. Whatever situation, this is a relationship or a job, it will come to an end. Your lover, whosoever, they will ghost you, keep you hanging. Okay, because here is the thing, judgment is in reverse. We have to make a big choice, big decision. You cannot be overcritical of yourself or the other person. Okay, and this is clarifying the Nine of Wands. Okay, so you have been through a battle. You have been through a battle. There are lessons that you need to learn. You need to learn those lessons. And Hermit, if you are married, you're gonna go solo. If there was a third party, okay, if there is a third party, I'm not sure, something's gonna come to an end, and it's most definitely a commitment. Okay, most definitely. I'm gonna take one more card here in the near future. Two of Rods, yes. Okay, Two of Pentacles and Two of Rods here, and they both mirror each other. Okay, so listen, someone's gonna get upset and start exploring new things. Okay, what's gonna come to an end? It's probably something that you have invested a lot, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, but you are reaching an end of a cycle very soon. If you are single, wait for the right person. Okay, I also see 2 to 3 people here with Lovers is in reverse. Okay, so this relationship is very important. It's divinely guided, very important, and it's being brought together. Okay, for you to learn some lessons. Okay, when I was shuffling for the advice, 2 cards flipped out: isolation and perseverance. Okay, isolation is very much Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles is a very solitary kind of an energy. Someone may be ignoring you, paying attention to their work, but they are ready to explore in new direction. Okay, I'm telling you, they're ready to explore in new direction. This person is also going to ghost you, and ultimately this relationship is going to come to an end. This is also one of the marriage card, it's in reverse. This is also one of the marriage card, it's in reverse. So it looks like someone may be going through some tough times in their marriage because of a third party situation, and someone just cannot be honest. They had been juggling. You and this person, whosoever you are in relationship with, had been very much in and out, gone through, like, you guys keep doing the same thing over and over again. Okay, the second card is perseverance, very sacral chakra kind of energy. Okay, persevering into your new path, persevering, working on yourself. Okay, if you look here, this woman is a little upset. Okay, she got a huge cloak, an amber colored cloak in here. Okay, this amber color is sacral chakra energy, which is your relationship, creativity, passion, desires. And look how much, did you see? It looks like it's torn. So some a relationship is basically very much torn beyond repair. Okay, and universe is guiding them. Okay, this is the guiding angels. Universe is guiding them. I have two angel cards here, lovers and judgment. All right, when these two cards show up, and with six of cups, you have certain past life karma to deal with this person. Okay, so you keep persevering and don't give up on your task. Pay attention to your intuition. You have a big choice to make. You're going to be becoming more wise. I'm telling you, you're going to be becoming more wiser. Like I said, the moment I saw, I got a death-like vibe with this, and with wolf, it's a husband-wife kind of vibe, a very husband kind of vibe. Miracle. This is solar plexus chakra. Okay, so miracles happen every single day if you believe. Okay, if you believe. Impatience. You have to have patience. Things will change in the near future, but you have to trust in your intuition. This is divine wisdom coming through you. Before this monumental death happens, this huge change happens, all the necessary information are being given to you. Okay, so have patience and believe in miracles. All right. Okay, what else do I need to tell you guys? Okay. All right, Cancer. So that's what I have for you. I hope this resonated. So please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you again. Namaste.